Question 3, and it's all about prime factors. We've got to write 156 as a product of its prime factors. And then involving 156, we've got to find the highest common factor of itself with 130. Now, I know this is taught as a tree, and fair enough. If you like that method, fine. I prefer to do it this way. 156 goes here. It is even. A 2 will go into it. And dividing that by 2, I get 78. Again, 2 will go into that. I get 39. Now 2 will not go into this because it's an odd number, but 3 will. And I get 13. Now 13 is a prime, and that ends the column. So I can say that 156 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 13. That's a product of its prime factors, and it's also the answer. Okay, part B. Well, we've got the prime factors of 156. We need to find the prime factors of 130. So let's do exactly the same thing, and then we can find the HCF. Again, this is even, and I get 65. Immediately, this is odd. Will 3 go in? No, it won't. The next prime up will be 5. That does go in and goes in 13 times again. And we go through the same process. This is a prime, and that effectively divides down to 1. So 130 is equal to 2 times 5 times 13. There's 156 again. And I'm going to try to form pairs. Now we've got a pair of 2s here, and we've got a pair of 13s. All the other numbers can't pair up, and the HCF is defined as the multiplication of the number within those pairs. So the HCF is equal to 2 times 13, which is equal to 26. And that's your answer.